This video explains academic technology integration using FlipGrid in middle school English language arts. First of all, what is FlipGrid? FlipGrid is a free video response platform where educators can have online video discussions with their students. Teachers can provide feedback to students' responses, and students can also give feedback to their peers. What are the benefits of using FlipGrid? First of all, students have the opportunity to explain their learning verbally and visually. Students can practice speaking English language arts academic language in their responses, and comprehension of English language arts concepts can increase through active engagement. And students can learn from each other if the responses are shared by the teacher. Let's explore some ideas how we can use FlipGrid in English language arts. One idea is that students can explain concepts in literature, in stories, dramas, poetry. Students can also use evidence to determine central ideas, analyze, draw inferences, and make connections to a text. Students can evaluate informative and argumentative writing. They can present claims and findings, cite textual evidence, and explain relevant and irrelevant evidence. Students can determine and explain the meaning of words and phrases. They can analyze and explain the impact of word choice. They can explain point of view. Another idea is that students can compare and contrast a written story, drama, or poem to its audio, filmed, staged, or multimedia version. In this video, we're going to explore how to easily integrate FlipGrid with the NASD Middle School ELA Novel Study Unit or a book club. FlipGrid topics from the Novel Study Choice Board are already in FlipGrid and ready for your use. So sit back, relax, and follow these instructions to add already created topics to one of your grids. First, create your free educator account at flipgrid.com and add a new grid. Think of a grid as a class period or your book club. When you're at flipgrid.com, you can either go to Educator Sign Up to create an account, or you can go to your educator login. If you've already used FlipGrid this year and you've created class periods or a book club, then you're ready for the next step. However, if this is your first time using FlipGrid, let's get your classes set up. Let's start with Add a New Grid, and let's type in first period, ELA, and then you have the choice to use the school email, student ID, or public and PLCs. Let's keep it safe and use the school email. So students can use this code to join your grid, flipgrid.com/middle school ELA, and you can customize it if you choose. Let's put middle school ELA first. @NISD.net has already been set up. Now let's add @students.nisd.net. Click next. All right, so now we have middle school ELA first period ready. You can copy this link and share it with your students so that they can enter your grid, which is their community or their class period for FlipGrid, or you can share it in Google Classroom. You don't have to do this immediately. So let's go to your grid. An initial topic is already ready for you to share with your students on FlipGrid. It says, "Say hello on FlipGrid." You can share this with your students immediately, or you can edit the topic, record a response, or any of these other actions. Now that we have first period set up, you can add another period. You can add your second period and all other periods. Once you've completed all your grids, you are ready for the next step, to add topics.